Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I promise you this is the last video on this subject. But I thought while that other video was loading, I mentioned in the video that you either want them opposite or you want them both the same direction. So if you made them both the same direction, you could continue this pattern forever. So how did I do that? And it's really easy. I just took our rainbow effect type deal. And there are several ways you could do it, but the easiest way that I know of is that this is 7 inches across here. So we need a line, a 2-point line, and you can put it anywhere. Let's just draw a line, and let's make it 60 inches long. The thickness doesn't matter, that's the hairline. And then let's take that line and move it to this first node on this first line. Now let's hit the plus sign on our keyboard and move the second one to that side. Now you could do the same thing, but if you take the shift key and select them both, go to effects and blend, we need 6 more in the middle. There you have it. It's that easy. Now take this one, Control D and make a duplicate. Go ahead and mirror it. And it mirrored it like this because we've got that origin, and that's fine. I'm going to put mine back. And all you have to do is match these two up by getting that 4-point cross and having it snap to it. And you could do the exact same thing over here. Matter of fact, we'll do it. I'm going to take the Alt key and swipe through here to select all those. I'm going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to nudge that out of the way. I should have my nudge factor bigger. But I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to hold the shift key and make it go a little bit faster here because I want those separated before I grab them. I should have done that. Because they're not grouped together. And then I could take the same thing and hold down that 4-point cross and have them snap. Might have a little bit of problem snapping because of the fact that we've got a bar there, but we could very easily take this line. Now I'm not worried about a leak because I think I'm pretty close in to dead on, but I always take a rectangle and fill it in just in case it leaks. If it leaks on like an old computer like mine, it could crash it sometimes. So I take because it's going to go out to everywhere. Now I'm going to go get my colors from here. And we'll put them like right in there. And we'll know right off the bat if it leaks or not. Smart Fill tool. I'm going to go ahead and go with purple because that's what I've got. And it doesn't leak because I missed my mark. Matter of fact, I don't even need those colors anymore. There's our purple. This time I'm going to work backwards to get our blue. This is how fast when you're using your document colors that you can put them in there. And this is I'm not going to say you're ever going to make this design, but it might help you, in the future, make something like this. There you have it, a complete, almost like a frame type deal. And you could put, a child's name in there and print on a t-shirt. You can fill the center with a completely different color. Go back to my RGB palette and get that, let's say we'll get this blue, and you could fill in that center and have a completely different look. Anyway, fun little project. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.